In this video, we are going to graph a line by plotting points. What we want to do is open up the Desmos calculator on the side, and we want to fill out the table for various values of x. Now, if you are not given these values, the first thing you do is just plug in 0 for x, because it's always an easy solution, unless the b or the y-intercept here is not an integer, it'll work. What you want is basically try different values of x until you get an integer, because a lot of times you won't be able to graph something that's a fraction. In this case, they actually gave you the x values, but if not, you just keep plugging different x values anywhere from -10 to +10. You need 2 points to graph a line. Okay, so now if I plug in 0 in for x, when you plug in, always put whatever you are plugging in parentheses, I get 4. The corresponding point will be 0, 4. So I already have 1 point. To get one other point, it also asks me to plug in -2. Okay, so I just changed the 0 to -2. That will give me 7, and the corresponding point on the graph would be -2, 7. I'm pretty much ready to graph, but it wants me to also compute it at 2, so I will do that too, and that's going to give me 1. The corresponding point is 2, 1. Let's graph. In order to graph, you just need 2 points. So 0 means that you are not moving right or left, and 4 means that you're going 4 up. So that's your first point. And then -2 means that you start at the origin, go 2 to the left, and then 7 up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is your -2, 7. Just to check it out before I submit, so let me just click to make sure that it's fixed here. I can see whether 2, 1 is there. So 2 would be 2 to the right, 1 up. And I can see that that point is also on the line, which means that I did it correctly.